Welcome guys, Sizwe Sakhe here, Sizwe Sakhe Academy, and this is the Global Classroom. We are instructed to calculate the exact values of the following. Cos into negative 135, we're dealing with negative angles. Let me start here at 240 or 360. Degrees, 0 degrees, 90 degrees. I don't have to write this, but maybe I should. 180 degrees. It's positive, and then it is negative and negative this side, right? We are told negative 135. It means we cover this whole part because from here to here it's 90, negative 90. It comes here at 90 and we are going down. Once we've covered 90, we need to add 45 degrees. So it takes us to somewhere here where it is. It's important you do this. If you don't understand what is happening, it's best you do this to give yourself a clear picture of whereabouts you should be. If you are not sure on which angle this is, but you know 135 is above 90, so it's somewhere around this because you are coming from this side and you're going negative, which is clockwise. Then you come back here and you say cos. You say if this is minus 135, it means it's 360 degrees plus into minus 135 degrees. This is what it means. Then you have your cos. Here it's 360 degrees. Positive times negative, it's negative 135 degrees. So you can go to your calculator because you are not restricted to use a calculator. Say cos 360 minus 135, 360 minus 135. Then you are left with cos 225 degrees. This is cos 225 degrees. When you are here, you start asking yourself, 225 in which quadrant? It's the third quadrant. 225 is in the third quadrant. You've ascertained that, you are comfortable with that, and then you'll say, but cos, how is cos in the third quadrant? Cos is positive in the first and fourth quadrant, therefore cos is negative, therefore negative here. And then once you found that cos is negative in the third quadrant and you are at 225, you are looking for values now of cos, and the cos values are the x values in our exact values, and the exact values at 225, the x value is root 2 over 2. Even the y value at 225, just like at 45 degrees, it's root 2 over a 2. Why 45 degrees? I'm using 45 because if you say 180 degrees plus 45 degrees, I think you are getting a 225 degrees. Therefore, 45 degrees has these values. But remember, in the third quadrant, cos is negative, and in the third quadrant, both the values are negative. But we are not interested in y value, which is sine value. We are interested in this x value, which is a cos value. Cos 225 is a negative root 2 over a 2. And this is your answer for this one. So I thought I should clearly line that up. It's 360 minus, because it's a negative angle. All negative angles start from 360 going down. All positive angles, we go this way. If this was a plain positive, it was positive 135, we would have worked out from here up to here and we would have stopped here at 135. We would have made our 135 here, maybe a little lower because 120 is somewhere here and 90 is here, so it would have been 135, 150 somewhere here. 150 would have been here, but we are dealing with 135, so we would have dealt with 135 from this side, and 135 would be the equivalent of 45 this side, 45 degrees this side. So If it's 45, the ratios of 45 are these. Root 2 over 2 is to root 2 over 2, the x and the y. Don't want to over explain it. It's positive in the first quadrant, but we are dealing with the third quadrant, so where both are negative, but this is not what we want. This is what we want. This is what we want, which is negative root 2 over 2, and here is the answer. Thank you guys for watching. Watch out for more, and God bless you.